All right, so now we're going to write the formula for the general term of each geometric sequence. Then we're going to use the formula for a sub n to find a sub 7, the seventh term of this sequence. All right, so remember the formula. It's a sub n equals the first term times common ratio raised to the n minus 1, right? So if I know my first term and I know my common ratio, I can get a general formula here. So do I know my first term?
3.
And what is my common ratio? Second term divided by the first term, right? Which is 5. So I can say that a sub n is equal to the first term 3 times 5 raised to the n minus 1. And then it says to find the seventh term. So we're looking for a sub 7. So 7 minus 1 is 6. Did you get a big number?
Yeah.
Yeah, 46,875. Good job. All right, so for number 14, what is your first term?
5.
And what is your common ratio?
1 or negative 1 over 5.
Good. Second term divided by the first term, right? So my formula, a sub n equals my first term times my common ratio raised to the n minus 1. And then you can find the seventh term by plugging in 7 for your n. So we got this, or you could have written this out as a decimal, right? Because it just means you need to move the decimal 4 places to the left. So either one of those would have been appropriate. All right. And y'all are so smart then. How about 15? What is your first term? Good. And what is your common ratio?
Negative 10? Oh, no. Yeah.
Second term divided by the first term, which does come out to be negative 10. So for my nth term, we're going to take our first term times the common ratio raised to the n minus 1. And then go find that seventh term. What'd you get? 700.